Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome back to another Java tutorial. Today we are going to be going over how we can get the user's input using the scanner class. So firstly we need to import the scanner class. So we're going to import java.util.scanner like this. So now we have imported the scanner class, and now we can create an object from that scanner class. So we're going to do scanner, we're going to give it a name. I'm going to do my scanner, and we're going to equal this to new scanner, and then in brackets we're going to do system.in like this. So once we have our scanner object, we have named it my scanner, we can actually use this now. So firstly we're going to ask the user for their name. So what is your name? And now below that, once we have printed out what is your name, we want the user to input something like insert their name or whatever. So whatever they insert, we're going to start as a string. So we're going to do string name. We're going to equal this to whatever the user inputs. So now we'll have to call the scanner object that we made. So we'll do my scanner. And we're going to do dot next line like this. Dot next line. That's semicolon at the end. And then we are going to print out after that. We're going to do something like hello, and we're going to do space, and then we're going to just do name. So how does this work? So first we have imported our scanner class, and then we have created an object from the scanner class that we imported, and then we have named it as my scanner. Then the program prints out what is your name into the console, and now the program is going to wait. It's not going to execute any of the code after that, as we're just waiting to get the user's input. So then we call the scanner that we have created, and then we will store whatever is on the next line into the string name. So now if we run this, you can see what is your name. So we have what is your name, and now you can see this line is not going to execute because we are waiting for the user's input. So I can put in here Peter, and now once I put in an input, then this will get executed and we will print out hello and then name. Now the name is whatever we inserted. You can see we inserted name, so name is going to print out hello name. Now if we want to store if we want to store a string as our input, we will do my scanner dot next line. So dot next line is we will get whatever input the user inserted, and we'll store it as a string. Now we can also do the same thing. So let's say we want to get their age. So we do age, we'll name this the age, and we'll name this the age. String, we will name the string to an integer, and now you can see we get an error here. This is because instead of next line, we need to do next int. So now the program knows whatever value or whatever input the user inserts, we're gonna just presume that's an integer, and then we're gonna store it as the int age. Now we're gonna do your age is, and then we just do plus age, so whatever the user inputs. So now we can see what is your age. So let's say we put in 25, then we'll get your age, this will be your age. Well, yeah, your age is 25. We can do some kill with this, so we can do we can just do, let's say, what is your first number, for example. Then we'll do this as x, and we'll do this again. Then we'll do what is your second number, and then we'll store this as y, and then we'll just print out x plus y. So we're just going to add our two inputs that we inserted. So we test this out. But what is your first name, or what is your first number? Let's say we got 5. Then we have what is your second number? Let's say we do 10. Then you can see the output that we get is 15 because we we inserted 5 in here. We stored as x. We inserted 10 as here. We stored as y, and then we just added the two values that the user has inserted. So now it's equal to 15. This depends. The .next int will depend on the value that we're storing and the value that the user inserts. And that's basically it on how to use the scanner class to get the user's input. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.